Hey guys, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing. Have another small block Mopar I put together. This one here is for Dan Boutner. It's a 422 cubic inch 340. It's bored 60 over and has a Scat rotating assembly in it. The part number is 1-98013BI. That's for the rotating assembly. With this setup, it works out to 10 1/4 to 1 compression. The cam that it has in it is a Lunati cam, hydraulic roller retrofit. And the part number for the cam is 20200713LK. And that's the biggest hydraulic roller that Lunati makes for the small block Mopar. It has 560 lift on intake and 565 on exhaust, and the duration is 243 and 251 at 50. The heads, they're Sidewinder heads. Todd Marsh out of North Carolina, got them from him. He ported and polished them, and they're really nice looking set of heads. Todd and his guys did a really good job on them. Right now I have a 750 vacuum on it. Dan, he's putting an 850 on it. And what we're doing is we're going to take this into the dyno, and he's going to dyno it with the 850 on it. Dan's hoping upper 400s for horsepower. I think it'd be that anyways. It might even touch the 500 mark. But anyways, I'll put a video on of this year engine on the dyno when we're done, probably 3-4 weeks. But again, we're hoping for upper 4s for the dyno. So let's start this up anyways. Just under 800, maybe a little on the low side. 70 psi oil pressure. Pretty good throttle response. And there's Dan Boutner's 422 cubic inch small block Mopar.